Hi, everybody. I am going to walk you through Module 3. Here I am in the Course Module tab. And here's Module 3, September 13th through the 26th. Here's a brief overview, and really this module is going to give you some time to read, organize, and write. So there's not a lot of assignments here. It's just some time for you to really make progress. So this ends up being a really important couple of weeks so that you can make strides in creating your literature review, but there isn't a lot of extraneous work or readings. What I do ask you to do is read chapters 9 and 12 from Destination Dissertation. And again, that's available for free on the library site as an ebook. And then I want you to continue to develop your literature review. So gather 10 to 15 more studies, articles, or books that relate to your topic. Read, highlight, mark up the text, or create annotations, whatever sort of technique you have decided to use. Begin, it says begin, really continue to organize the important ideas from the readings. And then towards the end, you're going to share your revised outline or draft with your instructor. So that's me, obviously. So you may be at different points in your literature review. If you started out not really knowing what your topic is, you may have gotten just to an outline at this point, and that's okay. You may have come in with a topic and maybe even with some literature, and so maybe you're starting to work on the draft of your literature review. Regardless of where you are, I want you to submit what you have to me this week, or for this module, excuse me, and then I will give you feedback and points for this one. As always, you are welcome to meet with me anytime. I don't want you to feel alone in this process. You're definitely not alone, although we are working pretty independently. I do like to see you all, so feel free to drop in and sign up using my Sign Up Genius anytime.